Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve permutation and combination, NCERT class 11, chapter 7, exercise 7.3. Question number 11. In how many ways can the letters of the word permutations, Permutation, be arranged in the part 1? Words start with P and end with S. Part 2. Vowels are all together. Part 3. There are always 4 letters between P and S. So we start solving like this. Solution of part 1. Number of letters in permutation equal to 12, in which there are 2 T's and all other are different. Now if P and S are fixed at the beginning and in end, then 10 places can be filled in factorial 10 upon factorial 2 ways. This is equal to 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, and we cancel the 2 factorial of denominator with 2 factorial of numerator. Now for making our calculations easy, we write these letters in 2 groups, which are 9 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 9 times 7 is 63, 63 times 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 63 times 18 comes out to be 1134, and 10 times 8 is 80. 80 times 5 is 400. 400 times 4 is 1600, 1600. Now we multiply 1600 to 1134. We write 2 zeros of 1600 and we multiply now 16 to 1134. 16 times 4 is 64. We write 4 and carry 6. 16 times 3 is 48. 48 and 6 is 54. We write 4 and carry 5. 16 times 1 is 16 plus 5 is 21. We write 1 and carry 2. 16 times 1 is 16 plus 2 is 18. This is equal to 1814400. So number of words that can be made keeping P at the beginning and S at the end from the letters of the word permutation, we can make 1814400 words from the letter of the word permutations. Part 2. Vowels are all together. Vowels are in the word permutation are E, U, A, I, O. So all the 5 A, E, I, O, U or E, U, A, I, O are 5 vowels. These can be arranged among themselves as factorial 5 ways. Now these can be treated as one letter. Then number of letters equal to 12 minus 5 plus 1 equal to 8 letters. There are total 12 numbers of the letters in permutations. We have used all 5 vowels as one letter, so we have subtracted 5 from the 12 and these 5s are treated as one letter, so we have added 1 to this, so this becomes 12 minus 5 plus 1 equal to 8 letters. Thus number of words that can be made equal to 8 factorial upon 2 factorial, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. So 2 factorial of denominator is cancelled with the 2 factorial of numerator, and this gives us 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 20160. Now total number of words that can be made are factorial 5 we have to multiply of those vowels which can be arranged in themselves to this 20,160, so that we can get the total number of words that can be made out of the letters of the word permutations where all the vowels are together. Therefore 5 factorial multiplied by 20,160 and 5 factorial is 120. So 120 multiplied by 20,160. This gives us 2419200 words can be made where the vowels are together. Part 3, there are 4 letters between P and S. We have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 representing 12 letters of the words to be filled in these places. If we write P at one's place, then there will be 4 letters in between, that will be 2, 3, 4 and 5, and S will come at 6th place. And when P is at 2nd place, then S will be at 7th place. When P will be at 3rd place, S will be at 8th place. P will be at 4th place, then S will be at 9th place. P will be at 5th place, then S will be at 10th place. P will be at 6th place, then S will be at 11th place, and P will be at 7th place, then S will be at 12th place. So there will be 7 positions where P will be there, and there will be 7 positions where S will be there related to P. So P and S can be arranged in 7 ways, and these can be interchanged in 2 ways, that is, these can be written in 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14 ways. Now remaining 10 letters can be arranged in factorial 10 upon factorial 2 ways. Factorial 10 upon factorial 2 equal to 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 factorial upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial of denominator is cancelled with 2 factorial of numerator. This gives us 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 equal to 1814400. Therefore total number of words that can be made equal to 14 multiplied by 1814400. Here we have to multiply 14 because the P and S can be arranged in 14 ways, which we have already calculated earlier. So we multiply 14 by 1814400. This is equal to 14 times 0 is 0, 14 times 0 is 0, 14 times 4 is 56, we write 6 and carry 5, 14 times 4 is 56 and 5 is 61, we write 1 and carry 6, 14 times 1 is 14 plus 6 is 20, we write 0 and carry 2, 14 times 8 is 112 and 112 plus 2 is 114, we write 4 and carry 11, 14 times 1 is 14 and 11 is 25. So this gives us equal to 25401600 words that can be made where P and S have 4 letters in between them from the letters of the word permutations. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.